Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and for another little visit to something I shared with you previously. So I've shown you how to make a larger cracker following on from some requests from when I did the mini Halloween crackers. Wanted some larger ones for treat size things, bags of Maltesers, definitely Maltesers at Christmas time, has to be. So I made some Letters to Santa cracker. And I've shown you how to make a four-sided one. But in the video, I call it a cylinder. But obviously, it's not a cylinder because it's a square. So it's more of a cuboid. But I thought, let's have a go at seeing if we can make it rounder. So we're going to make some crackers today. Again, using Letters Santa. Not the 12 by 12, but the 8 by 8s. So if you've got some Christmas 8 by 8 papers, or of course, you can do these for any occasions like I've done them for Halloween. Use your 8 by 8 papers, and this time I'm going to give you measurements for a 6-sided version. So we'll start off by actually making our papers 8 by 8. So I couldn't decide if we're going to do a red one or a green one. Which should we go for? And the joy with these is they are double-sided, so even the inside is going to look lovely. Which one should we go for? Let's go for the green. We've got a green one there. What's on the back? Oh yeah, they're the reverse ones. Is that going to go? Yeah, let's stick to the greens. Now, this one has got wording. So when I bring in my scoreboard, I need to think about the way I'm going to score. So my first score lines are going to be my top and bottom pieces. Okay, so if you've got your top and bottom pieces and you want it to go that way, you need to score it side on, because that's what pieces we're going to score is down that way. So if you want your wording going across, like I do, I'm going to have it that way. So we're going to score at 1.5. So this is exactly the same as what we did for the 4-side. 1.5, 2, and 2.5. So got 1.5, 2, and 2.5. We're going to turn it around and repeat 1.5, 2, and 2.5. There we go. So we've now done our edges. So now we need to do the sides. So we're going to have to turn it this way. And we're going to go every 1.25 inches. So here's 1.25. Then 2.5. 3 3/4. 5. 6.25. And 7.5. Put our scoreboard away. So we're going to fold each of these. Now you don't need to burnish hard because it's not a flat thing we're looking for. So just a gentle burnish. And to be fair, the less you burnish, the rounder it looks. So it depends which look you're going for. If you like that sharp cornery look like this one had, then burnish hard. So then that will wrap around and it's going to join there. So you can see the shape now. So now we need to find those 3 score lines top and bottom. So we're going to find the first one and we're going to fold it down. That's the one closest to the middle. Finish it. The next one we're going to fold back. And then the last one, we're going to fold up again. So what we've got is, same as last time really, a mountain, valley, mountain. I'm going to repeat here. So we're going to make a mountain. And you may not be able to see the score lines on camera because it's such a busy paper, but at home you will be able to see because when the light will catch that score line for you. So mountain, now a valley, and now a mountain. So you see it sort of concertinas in like that. Okay. So you can see what I've got is a mountain, a valley, a mountain, a mountain, a valley, a mountain. Now we need to cut, using our envelope punch boards, those little roundy slots here. So again, we're just going to line it up at 2 inches. So this is my 1/2 inch one. So I'm going to fold on my 1/2 inch and punch at 2. So the score line is actually going into my scoreboard, into the punch there, and line up with 2 inches. So I've done those 2 bits. And then we're just going to work down. So 2 inches, flip around, 2 inches. And again, 2 and 2 inches. Two inches and 2 inches. Same with the 6-sided one, there is a lot more punching involved. We're just going down each of these folds and punching each side at 2 inches. And we've got one more fold to go. So 2 inches and 2 inches. And then the last one is just this single piece. So we open it up. We need to do that edge as well. There we go. So here's all your waste pieces. I'm sure there'll be more than that. Yes, they're there. Right. So you can see that traditional cracker shape taking form. These are your 1/2 inch pieces. Now don't put them on those pieces, just those little rectangles each side and between the 2 score lines here. So you can see how my cracker has the wording going horizontal rather than, sorry, it's going across that way rather than that way. So we've got 1, 2, 3 pieces here. So this is the middle. Oh no, let's do, 2 pieces over and 1 over. It's middle when it's the 4, isn't it? Right, so I'm going to pop off this backing. And I'm just going to fold 2 of them over. Then the last one is just going to come over like so. Line them up. And finished. There we go. So now you've got a 6-sided cracker. Like I say, I do like the 4. I think there's something about the more rounded one of this one which gets me. Now, because I've just got the green here, this still a bit too bright for me, so I'm going to just distress this by using some tea dye distress ink, just to take some of the whiteness and the brightness away. And tie up one end. Then you would pull this up, put your treats in, and then to the other side. So again, this is too bright, this baker's twine. So let's see if I can make it a little bit less bright. tie up. So I'm going to end up with brown fingers because I haven't let my string dry. And there we go. Your 6-sided version of the crackers. So a great way to use up your 8x8 your 8x8 papers, and just right for a little treat for the Christmas table, or for handing out as little mini gifts to your guests. But nice and simple, but of course you can then go on and decorate them as much as you want. So I really am looking forward to seeing your crackers. Doesn't have to be Christmas, can be any occasion, but I do want to see your photos, so please share with me in my Facebook group. It's called Paper Crafting with Paul, so just type that into a search. And if you prefer, there's a link in the description below which will take you straight there. So yeah, so grab your 8x8 papers and let's have a look at your set of crackers.